Hi, I'm Jessica, and this is Eagle Creek's Gear Warrior 4-wheel. Now, it's got the same durability and sustainability story as the rest of the series, but with the maximum mobility provided by 4 wheels. It comes in an international carry-on at 34 liters, a domestic carry-on at 38, a larger 60-liter bag at 26 inches, and then the big guy at 95 liters, 30 inches tall. Now, first things first, which is that this bag has 4 wheels, which means it's super easy to roll down that center airline aisle. And check this out. It's got a new impact-resistant handle that extends 42 inches, and it was designed specifically to prevent that annoying wobble. Now, this is a carry-on, but if you need to check your bag, simply zip this away to help protect the handle system. All right, let's take a look inside the bag. Now, I know innovative compression wings probably isn't a phrase that you hear all that often, but these are very cool. Not only do they serve to help compress your things, but also they adjust like so, and these actually slide out to help hold everything down. Now, this bag doesn't come with packet, but at Eagle Creek, we love packet, and so of course we designed this bag to fit some of those pieces nice and easy. The packet medium folder is great for things like collared shirts and jeans. Medium cube is great for larger items of clothing. 2 small cubes, great for those smaller items. And you're simply gonna buckle. Make sure those wings are slid on out to hold everything in place. And ta-da! Everything's nice and compressed and held in its spot. And then down here we have a zippered pocket, which is great for other miscellaneous items. Now, this bag features zippers that have these really cool finger loops on them, which are really convenient, especially in cold weather situations when maybe you're wearing gloves. Another cool thing about the zippers is that they're lockable. So if you want more security, pick yourself up a TSA lock, and then you can just put that through the zippers like so, and even thread that through the central lock point in order to prevent anyone from getting into your bag. Something else I love about this bag is the fact that it has this expansion zipper, just because I tend to pick up some extra stuff when I'm on the road. There is also this front zip pocket, which is nice and deep, and it features this tablet sleeve for easy access. Now, on the 26-inch size, we don't actually have that tablet sleeve because we wouldn't ever want you to check your bag with the tablet inside of it. Okay, next amazing thing is that this bag has a nifty thing called the equipment keeper, which allows you to store a jacket or gear on top of the bag, securing everything with the porter key, which also happens to be a bottle opener. The bag also has compression straps, which serve as excellent lash points. And we've got a handle right here, one down here, and one right here. We've also integrated reflectivity throughout, so you've got it in your zipper loop pulls and also down here. Speaking of visibility, we know that sometimes you have to check a bag. And so in order to help make your life easier, we've integrated a bunch of fun color pops throughout, along with this identification tag slot right here, to make sure that it's easy for you to identify your bag. Now, we've selected only sustainably made materials for this bag, including 3 Blue Sign approved fabrics. And also, we're really proud that the main body fabric is 100% recycled and also water repellent. We've also integrated what we like to call an exoskeleton, and what this does is it provides just some extra abrasion resistance on those high wear areas of the bag. So next, let's talk wheels. We've developed a totally new wheel design that's even more treaded than past models with a bigger tire for more off-road capability. It has a durable polycarbonate shell, which helps the bag to stay lightweight even though it has the 4 wheels. And we also have protective wheel housing. And we've added some protective hypalon at the top. Covered by the No Matter What warranty, the Gear Warrior 4-wheel is tough, it's adaptable, and it's super mobile. And is one of our most sustainable bags to date. You can wander the world lightweight and worry-free.